2017 to travel the world full-time. We run 3 businesses online and homeschool our son while we search for adventure. We're the O'Briens Abroad. We've spent the last few days on the small island of Panglao, just south of Bohol. After playing on ATVs at the Chocolate Hills, hanging out with Tarsiers, and eating as much local food as possible, it's time to enjoy a day of island hopping around Panglao. We've loved Bohol and our time in Panglao, and we're so excited to explore more of it. There's just so much to see and do here. Today we're headed out to Sea Turtle Beach, an area known for having a dense population of sea turtles. This will be my first time swimming with sea turtles, and we're all really excited. After Sea Turtle Beach, we'll free dive down a reef wall, then have lunch on Virgin Island. Come explore with us as we see the beautiful waters surrounding this small island of Panglao.
That was amazing. That free diving here at the Turtle Beach is my first time seeing turtles active so close. I've seen them snorkeling before, and that was amazing. And we saw them on Sea Turtle Island in Malaysia when a mother sea turtle was giving birth. But seeing them swim underwater, swimming beside them,
it's pretty neat.
That was beautiful. The turtles are so beautiful. And they're so much bigger than I thought.
I love how graceful they are in the water.
They're such good swimmers. And you know what? Free diving was really fun. I had a good time free diving too.
Yeah, I really like it. It's fun because unlike scuba diving, you're like have to put in some effort, and there's some technique to it. Even though we're not so great at it, I feel like it's more of an accomplishment than just floating down with weighted belts.
Or floating on the top with
Yeah.
your mask on. I feel like we're getting better.
Yeah.
I at least feel like I'm getting better. I have a lot of work to do though.
I think it's all, for me, it's all in the being calm at first, and the breathe, and taking a good solid breath.
Relaxing is really hard.
If my heart rate is pumping because I'm exercising a lot, then I can't stay down for very long.
Yeah, and then you're like, oh, but this turtle just moved and I want to be closer to where it is. And yeah, learning to relax, isn't that kind of a lesson in life?
Yeah, it's very zen.
Swimming with sea turtles was just as incredible as everyone says it is. But now it's time to move on to our next location. Nearby Sea Turtle Beach is another amazing swimming spot. See where the water becomes dark blue? That's where the local reef ends at a wall. It suddenly drops from 10 meters down to 200 meters. That's where tons of beautiful coral and marine life live, and this is my first time being able to see them up close. We love free diving.
We are at Virgin Island. It is not an island today, it is a sandbar because it's high tide. So everybody's walking on what is sometime twice a day an island.
So instead of hanging out on the island, we're gonna jump off the boat. As you can tell, there's hawkers all around us. So we're just gonna have some lunch.
Banana Q?
Hi!
Banana Q and Royal.
So we pay a premium because he has to stand out here in the water.
Okay, I gotta admit, I think it's pretty brilliant to have food stalls in the water. It's kind of brilliant.
But why do people come out here other than
To have lunch, of course!
have lunch standing in water?
Oh, there it is right there, the banana Q, my favorite.
It's so brilliant to have this on water, and they should have like a main table that has a ladder to get up. So, and there's so many boats that are going to be loaded with food. That would be so brilliant, right?
That would be brilliant. Here, you want your banana cue?
Oh, yeah.
That's our lunch cooking right there. 100 pesos for the chicken leg, 50 pesos for the pork skewer. It's more expensive than on the mainland, but I'm willing to pay.
The best part about lunch being halfway in the water, if you have to go to the bathroom, you don't have to go anywhere. Just squat down a little bit. This is important.
No, number 2.
Only number 1.
Yes.
It's very important.
Only number 1 allowed at the floating lunch restaurant.
Okay.
All right, our food is ready.
Chicken cue.
On the water.
Good. Alright.
Cooked perfectly. Yeah. Well, that's really good.
Today was full of incredible firsts. Swimming with majestic sea turtles, diving down deep against the reef wall, and eating lunch on an underwater island were all so much fun. I had no idea there would be so many beautiful, interesting places so close together. My favorite thing might have been lunch though. I had no idea what to expect on Virgin Island and love how the entrepreneurial locals found a way to cater to tourists. It was just so random and fun. The whole day was amazing and our private island trip was definitely worth it. If you make your way out to Panglao Island, I hope you do the same thing.